Over the past few months, we have brought 2 new qualifications to market to fulfill the demand of operatives needing to meet their legal competence and compliance requirements. The first is our new Industrial and Commercial Heating and Ventilating Pipework Systems qualification. Based on the relevant national occupational standards, this qualification has been approved by the standard-setting body who have instructed Skillcard to issue any successful candidate with a blue CSCS skill card to help them prove their competence and compliance for their working role. This standard is for people who install and test industrial and commercial heating and ventilating pipework systems. The person performing this work must be able to comply with the correct procedures and practices. Successful candidates will know and understand the methods, procedures, and techniques for fitting, fixing and connecting components and accessories, and the pipework requirements of the following systems: hot water heating, cold water, chilled water, compressed air, fire protection, and steam. Our second new qualification is the Fire Dampers and Smoke Control Dampers Selection and Design Certificate. This certificate has been developed to help support the competence requirements as mandated by Item 35 of the Building Safety Act 2022 and Part 2A of the Building Regulations 2010. It is for those who are involved with the design and selection of fire dampers and smoke control dampers. Individuals will identify clients' needs and obtain current and relevant information with regards to the building services engineering system. They will liaise with clients and customers and provide accurate technical and functional information, advice, and guidance with regards to fire dampers and smoke control dampers. This certificate is for those who design for and select fire damper devices to maintain compartmentation, where ventilation systems, ducts, pass through compartment boundaries, and those who design for and select smoke control damper devices for smoke control systems to allow the release of smoke and heat and provide compartmentation protection to walls, floors, and ducts, where the release path is to be constrained. The person performing this work will know and understand that fire dampers and smoke control dampers are 2 different devices. They will understand the principles of compartmentation, the standards and principles for testing, the applications of fire dampers and smoke control dampers, the correct selection and installation procedures, building services spatial coordination, the correct procedures for access to, regular testing of, and maintenance for fire dampers and smoke control dampers. And they will demonstrate good behavioral and ethical competence. Both these new qualifications contain the skills and knowledge requirements as defined by the Sector Skills Council for Building Services Engineering. These standards will be achieved in line with the Sector Skills Council's assessment strategy and the quality assurance standards for learning and development. Both will help meet the competence requirements as outlined in Part 2A11G of the Building Regulations 2010. For more information on either qualification, please get in touch with the team today.